You've probably seen eToro ads everywhere claiming it's the perfect platform for beginner traders. If you're new to investing or trading and feeling overwhelmed by all the platforms out there, you're not alone. eToro positions itself as the social trading platform that makes investing accessible to everyone. But with so many options available, you need to know if eToro is genuinely beginner friendly or if you'd better be off looking elsewhere. Let's dive deep and find out. Before we get into the details, you need to understand what makes eToro different. eToro is a social trading platform that allows you to trade stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and forex. What sets it apart is the social aspect. You can literally copy the trades of successful investors automatically. Think of it as the Instagram of trading. You can follow top traders, see their portfolios, and with one click, mirror their investment strategies. The platform serves over 30 billion users worldwide and has been around since 2007. So you're not dealing with some fly by night operation. But here's what you really need to know upfront. eToro isn't just about copying others. You can also trade independently, build your own portfolio, and even become a trader that others follow. When you first log in into eToro, you'll immediately notice how different it feels from traditional trading platforms. Instead of intimidating charts and complex order types, you're greeted with a social feed that looks more like Facebook than a brokerage account. You can browse through popular investors, see their recent trades, and read about their market insights. The platform shows you everything transparently their profits, losses, risk scores, and trading history. This social transparency is either refreshing or overwhelming depending on your perspective. The mobile app mirrors this simplicity. You can execute trades with just a few taps, check your portfolio performance, and interact with the community all from your phone. If you're someone who gets paralyzed by too many options and complex interfaces, you'll appreciate eToro's streamlined approach. However, if you're looking for advanced charting tools or sophisticated order types, you might find the interface too simplified for your needs. Let's talk about what eToro is most famous for: copy trading. These features allow you to automatically replicate the trades of successful investors on the platform. You allocate a portion of your funds to copy a trader, and every trade they make gets executed proportionally in your account. You can browse through thousands of traders, filter them by performance, risk level, and investment focused. Each trader has a detailed profile showing their track record, the assets they trade, and their investment philosophy. You'll see metrics like their annual return, maximum drawdown, and how long they've been profitable. eToro offers a decent range of assets for your investment needs. You can trade over 3,000 stocks from major exchanges, including US, European, and Asian markets. The cryptocurrency selection is solid, covering all the major coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and popular altcoins. You'll also find commodities like gold, oil, and agricultural products, plus a selection of ETFs and indices. The Forex market is available with major currency pairs, though the selection isn't as extensive as dedicated forex brokers. One unique feature is fractional shares. You can invest in expensive stocks like Tesla or Amazon with as little as $10, making it accessible even if you don't have thousands to invest. However, you should know that not all assets are available in all regions due to regulatory restrictions. Your location will determine exactly what you can trade. Here's where things get interesting, and you need to pay close attention. eToro markets itself as commission free, but that doesn't mean it's free to trade. For US stocks, you won't pay the additional commissions, but eToro makes money through spreads, the difference between buy and sell prices. These spreads are generally competitive but can add up, especially for frequent traders. Cryptocurrency trading involves spreads that range from 0.75% to 5% depending on the asset. This is higher than dedicated crypto exchanges, so you're paying for the convenience and social features. International stock trades incur a 0.5% commission, and there's a $5 withdrawal fee that many users find annoying. If you're not actively trading, you'll also face a $10 monthly inactivity fee after 12 months of no activity. The copy trading feature doesn't have additional fees, but remember that traders you're copying might trade frequently, which means more spread costs for you. You're probably wondering if your money is safe with eToro. The good news is that eToro is regulated by several reputable authorities, including the FCA in the UK, SISAC in Cyprus, and ASIC in Australia. In the US, eToro USA Securities is regulated by FINMA and is a member of SIPC. Your funds are held in segregated accounts separate from eToro's operational funds. This means that even eToro faces financial difficulties, your money should be protected. US users get up to $500 in SIPC protection, while other regions have different compensation schemes. The platform uses standard security measures like two factor authentication and encryption. However, you should always enable all available security features and use strong password to protect your account. Let's be honest about what eToro does right. The social trading concept genuinely democratizes investing by giving you access to strategies that were previously available only to wealthy investors with expensive money managers. The platform's simplicity makes it approachable for beginners who might be intimidated by traditional brokers. You can start learning about markets while potentially earning returns by copying experienced traders. The educational content is solid with webinars, articles, and market analysis that can help you develop your investment knowledge. The community aspect also means you can also learn from others' users' experiences and insights. Fractional shares and low minimum investments make it accessible regardless of your budget. You can start with small amounts and gradually increase your investment as you become more comfortable. Now, for the downsides, you need to consider the fees, while not immediately obvious, can be significant. Between spreads, withdrawal fees, and activity charges, your returns can be eroded more than you might expect. The simplified interface, while beginner friendly, lacks the advanced tools that serious traders need. You won't find sophisticated charting packages, complex order types, or detailed fundamental analysis tools. Copy trading, while innovative, can create a false sense of security. You might think you're all guaranteed profits, but you're following successful traders, but markets are unpredictable, and even the best traders have losing streaks. Customer service can be slow, especially during market volatility when you most need help. Response times for support tickets can stretch to several days. eToro makes the most sense if you're a complete beginner who wants to start investing but feels overwhelmed by traditional platforms. The social features and copy trading can help you learn while potentially earning returns. You'll also benefit if you prefer a simple mobile first experience and don't need advanced trading tools. If you're interested in a mix of stocks, crypto, and other assets all in one platform, eToro's variety is convenient. However, if you're a serious trader who needs advanced charting, sophisticated order types, or the lowest possible fees, you'll probably outgrow eToro quickly. Day traders and scalpers will find the platform too limited and expensive. Active investors who trade frequently might find the spread based fee structure costly compared to the additional commission structures. The bottom line is that eToro isn't perfect, but it's not a scam either. It's a legitimate platform that serves a specific niche, beginners who want social features and simplified investing. Whether it's right for you depends on your priorities and how much you value convenience over cost. Remember, whatever platform you choose, never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always do your research before making investment decisions.